My room is such a bad state right now. Hey guys, how have you been? I really apologize for the lack of videos. I'm actually really disappointed in myself as well. I've had 3 weddings this month, so it's been really busy for me. One of them was actually my sister's. She's left the house now, so it's really quiet here. But now everyone's like to me, "You're next." Really scary. I'll say this look was a bit more Middle Eastern with Asian inspiration. Yeah, I guess. Or maybe other way around. I can't tell. Because it's my sister's wedding, I want to go a bit more dramatic by using glitter. I recommend mixing it with a clear primer, or even glycerin on the back as well. So this. And luckily I did not put foundation on. How did I miss that gap? I had a mirror right in front of me, but I still managed to miss that gap. I'm stacking 2 pairs of lashes together. And this will help it to blend naturally. Okay, need to hurry. My mom's makeup. I'll shop her nose. Okay. I know. That's bad. Whew. I need to do my mom's makeup now. I think that's it. I didn't highlight, but I already got round cheeks. I think I'm okay. Look how nice that rose is.